2023 Chevrolet Tahoe. With less than 66,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Fall in love with its many extra features, which include the following: lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, four-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, third-row seating, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat. Take home the car of your dreams today.